Hi everybody, it's Jason from Boatshed Plymouth. Today we're taking a look at this Halcyon 27 that we have listed here in the Plymouth area. Just going to be doing a short external video, walking around this boat, looking at her underwater profile. So we're starting off here at the stern. See a very formidable rudder setup with tiller. This boat benefits from a deep long keel, and she's also been copper coated as well, which is a very nice add-on. You can just see there, let's look down the hull on the starboard side. Her hull seems to have a very nice sheen, and I'm sure she'll polish up beautifully. So just take a quick look there at the prop, fixed on a shaft. Again, you can see that deep long keel and the copper coat application. Again, you can just make out that shine from the hull, and this is a fairly dull day today, so it's quite impressive. It's just the strop marks where the boat was lifted out. Just needs a bit of a scrub off. Stem head there. You can see a nice profile shot there. And again, that clean, tidy hull continues along the boat. I must admit, I can't see any kind of major scratches or nasties there. It all looks very good, and the owner's been working on the rubbing strokes as well. He just needs some varnishing or some oil, and there's that copper coat application again on that long keel. So should you have any questions whatsoever on this boat, please don't hesitate to contact me, jason@boatshedplymouth.com, and of course you can see her full listing on our website at boatshedplymouth.com. Thanks for watching.